In this quick guide, you'll learn how to buy US ETFs on Moomoo. Whether you're new to investing or looking to expand your portfolio, purchasing ETFs can be a great way to diversify your investments. Moomoo makes this process straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step. First, you'll need to open the Moomoo app on your mobile device. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a menu bar with several options. Tap on the one labeled Markets. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of different investment opportunities. Now that you're in the Markets section, look for the option that says ETFs. Tapping this will direct you to a list of all available exchange-traded funds. From here, you'll want to narrow your focus to US ETFs, so go ahead and tap US ETFs. This will filter the list to show only the ETFs that are based in the United States. With the list of US ETFs in front of you, take your time to browse through and decide which one you'd like to invest in. When you've made your choice, tap on the ETF to open its details page. This page provides essential information about the ETF, including its performance, historical data, and other relevant metrics that can help inform your decision. Once you're ready to proceed, look for the Trade button on the details page and tap it. This will take you to a new screen where you'll have the option to select Buy. Tapping Buy will bring up the order form where you can enter the specifics of your purchase. Here, you'll need to fill in your order details. This includes the quantity or the number of shares you wish to purchase, as well as the order type. Take a moment to ensure that all information is accurate and reflects your investment strategy. Before finalizing your purchase, it's important to review your order. Double-check all the details to make sure everything is correct. When you're satisfied with your selections, tap the Buy button to submit your order. And that's it! You've successfully placed an order for a US ETF on Moomoo. Your investment will be processed, and you'll receive a confirmation once it's complete. Remember, investing in ETFs is a strategic way to diversify your portfolio, and with Moomoo, the process is simple and efficient. Happy investing!